Energy efficiency has become a new marker of prestige in modern luxury homes. High-performance glazing, advanced insulation, and smart energy systems are proudly integrated. Homeowners take pride in reduced carbon footprints and intelligent resource use. Architects design buildings that respond to climate conditions rather than fight them. This shift reflects a new definition of success, one that values responsibility alongside comfort. Traditional mansions, with their inefficiency and waste, increasingly feel outdated in comparison to these intelligent, performance-driven homes. Traditional mansions aim to impress visitors. Modern luxury homes aim to move their occupants emotionally. Architects focus on how spaces feel at different times of day, how light changes, and how materials interact with the senses. Architecture becomes experiential rather than monumental. Quiet moments, framed views, and intimate spaces create lasting emotional connections. This human-centered approach makes modern luxury homes deeply meaningful. Instead of being admired from a distance, they are felt, lived in, and remembered. Glass plays a crucial role in replacing the heavy walls of traditional mansions. Transparency creates visual continuity between spaces and landscapes. Modern luxury homes use glass not just for views, but to enhance light quality and spatial depth. Carefully designed transparency maintains privacy while opening the home to its environment. This creates a sense of openness and calm that traditional masonry-heavy mansions rarely achieve. Transparency symbolizes honesty, clarity, and modern living values. Lighting in modern luxury homes is treated as an architectural narrative. Natural and artificial lighting are carefully choreographed to highlight textures, guide movement, and shape mood. Hidden light sources replace chandeliers and decorative fixtures. This subtle approach enhances spatial quality without visual clutter. Lighting becomes an emotional tool rather than a decorative object. Traditional mansions often rely on excess lighting for grandeur, while modern luxury homes use precision and restraint to create atmosphere. Modern luxury homes integrate advanced security systems invisibly. Facial recognition, biometric access, and discrete surveillance are embedded into the architecture. This contrasts with traditional mansions that rely on visible gates and guards. Security becomes seamless and non-intrusive, preserving aesthetics and comfort. Architects design homes that feel safe without feeling restricted. This balance between openness and protection reflects a more sophisticated approach to luxury living. Traditional mansions often prioritize land size over context. Modern luxury homes prioritize location intelligence. Architects analyze climate, views, orientation, and surroundings to maximize design potential. A smaller plot can become extraordinarily valuable through intelligent design. This approach reduces environmental impact while enhancing quality of life. Luxury is no longer about owning the most land. It is about using space wisely and beautifully. Instead of copying historical styles, modern luxury homes reflect contemporary culture and local identity. Architects draw inspiration from regional materials, climate, and traditions while expressing them through modern forms. This creates architecture that feels authentic and grounded. Traditional mansions often imitate European styles regardless of context, resulting in visual disconnection. Modern luxury design values relevance over replication, making each home a product of its time and place. Low maintenance is an underrated luxury. Modern luxury homes use durable materials, efficient systems, and simplified forms to reduce long-term upkeep. Homeowners spend less time managing the house and more time enjoying it. Traditional mansions require constant maintenance due to complexity and ornamentation. This practical advantage makes modern luxury homes more appealing to contemporary lifestyles that value time and freedom. Modern luxury houses tell stories through spatial sequences. Arrival, transition, reveal, and retreat are carefully choreographed. Architects design movement as part of the experience. This narrative quality creates memorable spaces. Traditional mansions often rely on symmetrical layouts that lack emotional progression. Modern design embraces surprise, contrast, and discovery, making the home feel dynamic and engaging. Luxury is becoming more boutique and curated. Instead of massive estates, homeowners prefer smaller, highly refined residences. These homes focus on quality over quantity. Architects invest more time in detail, proportion, and materiality. This trend reflects a shift toward conscious consumption. Boutique luxury homes feel exclusive, personal, and intentional, standing in contrast to the excess of traditional mansions. Modern luxury homes are designed for digital living. Home offices, studios, and content creation spaces are integrated seamlessly. Acoustic control, lighting, and connectivity are considered architectural elements. Traditional mansions rarely accommodate these needs effectively. Architects now design homes that support creativity, productivity, and global connectivity. This alignment with modern work and life patterns makes contemporary luxury homes far more relevant. Traditional mansions often age quickly as styles fall out of favor. Modern luxury architecture aims for timelessness. Neutral palettes, simple forms, and durable materials ensure longevity. Architects avoid excessive stylistic statements in favor of enduring design principles. This timeless quality protects long-term value and emotional attachment. A modern luxury home remains relevant decades later, unlike trend-driven mansion designs. Modern luxury homes are designed primarily for their owners, not for public admiration. Spaces prioritize comfort, privacy, and personal enjoyment. Traditional mansions often exist as status displays. This shift reflects a deeper understanding of luxury as a personal experience. Architecture becomes intimate rather than performative, aligning with changing values around success and fulfillment. Every modern luxury home reflects values: sustainability, simplicity, innovation, and authenticity. Architecture becomes a statement of worldview rather than wealth alone. This value-driven approach resonates strongly with contemporary homeowners. Traditional mansions, focused on hierarchy and power, feel disconnected from modern cultural narratives. Architecture evolves as society evolves. Traditional mansions struggle to adapt to modern needs. They are inefficient, inflexible, and symbolically outdated. As tastes change, these buildings lose relevance and value. Modern luxury homes offer better performance, emotional satisfaction, and cultural alignment. This is why the architectural market is shifting decisively toward contemporary design. The mansion era is fading, replaced by smarter, more meaningful architecture. The future of luxury house design is not louder, bigger, or more ornate. It is smarter, calmer, and more intentional. Modern luxury homes replace traditional mansions by offering experiences instead of excess, values instead of vanity, and quality instead of quantity. As architects, designers, and homeowners redefine success, architecture follows. These homes are not just buildings. They are reflections of how we want to live. Thoughtful, sustainable, and human-centered architecture is the new definition of luxury, and it is here to stay. For decades, traditional mansions symbolized ultimate success: grand columns, oversized ballrooms, excessive ornamentation, and sheer scale meant to impress. But architecture evolves with culture, technology, and values, and today, those old symbols of luxury are quietly being replaced. A new generation of homeowners is redefining what luxury truly means. Instead of opulence for display, they seek meaning, comfort, sustainability, and intelligent design. Modern luxury house design trends are moving away from the excess of traditional mansions and toward refined, intentional spaces that prioritize experience over size. In this video, we will explore the powerful design trends reshaping high-end residential architecture and why these modern luxury homes are rapidly replacing traditional mansions as the new gold standard of architectural prestige. Traditional mansions often equated luxury with sheer size. More rooms, higher ceilings, and grander facades. Modern luxury flips this idea entirely. Today, luxury is defined by how a space feels, functions, and supports daily life. Homeowners now value thoughtful layouts, natural light, material authenticity, and seamless living experiences more than unused square footage. A 600 square meter modern luxury home can feel far more valuable than a 2,000 square meter mansion filled with rarely used rooms. Architects are designing spaces that respond to human behavior, emotional well-being, and environmental responsibility. This shift marks a cultural change where wealth is no longer shouted through architecture, but expressed quietly through precision, restraint, and intentional design choices. Minimalism has become the ultimate symbol of modern luxury. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and architectural restraint now signal confidence and sophistication. Unlike traditional mansions that rely on decoration and ornament, minimalist luxury homes rely on proportion, light, and material quality. Every element has a purpose, and nothing exists purely for show. This approach requires exceptional design discipline and craftsmanship, which is why minimalism has become exclusive rather than simple. Large uninterrupted surfaces, precise detailing, and flawless execution demand higher skill and budget. In modern luxury architecture, less is not cheaper. It is more refined, more deliberate, and more powerful as a statement of taste and architectural maturity. Traditional mansions are filled with formal rooms, formal dining rooms, formal living rooms, and ceremonial spaces that remain unused most of the year. Modern luxury homes eliminate these rigid separations in favor of open-plan living. Living, dining, and kitchen spaces flow together, creating a dynamic environment that adapts to real lifestyles. This openness encourages social interaction, flexibility, and a sense of freedom. Architects now use subtle zoning through ceiling heights, lighting, furniture placement, and materials instead of walls. The result is a home that feels expansive without being wasteful, luxurious without being intimidating, and perfectly aligned with contemporary ways of living. One of the most defining features replacing traditional mansions is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Modern luxury homes dissolve the boundary between architecture and nature using floor-to-ceiling glass, sliding walls, courtyards, and terraces. Outdoor areas are no longer secondary. They are designed as extensions of the interior. Pools align with living rooms, gardens become visual backdrops, and natural ventilation replaces mechanical dependence. This integration enhances well-being, reduces energy use, and creates a resort-like atmosphere within a private residence. Compared to enclosed traditional mansions, these homes feel lighter, healthier, and far more in tune with their surroundings. In traditional mansions, technology is often added later as an accessory. In modern luxury homes, smart technology is embedded directly into the architecture. Lighting, climate, security, shading, and entertainment systems are seamlessly integrated and controlled through intuitive interfaces. These homes adapt to their occupants automatically, learning habits and optimizing comfort and efficiency. Architects now collaborate closely with technology consultants from the earliest design stages. This results in invisible systems that enhance living without disrupting aesthetics. The true luxury here is not gadgets. It is effortlessness, where the home quietly anticipates needs and responds intelligently without constant manual control. Traditional mansions are notorious for excessive energy consumption, water waste, and oversized mechanical systems. Modern luxury design replaces this model with sustainability-driven architecture. Solar panels, passive cooling, rainwater harvesting, green roofs, and high-performance insulation are now hallmarks of high-end homes. Sustainability is no longer a compromise, it is a luxury feature. Wealthy homeowners increasingly see environmental responsibility as part of their legacy. Architects respond by creating homes that are efficient, resilient, and future-proof. These sustainable luxury houses not only reduce environmental impact, but also offer lower operating costs and greater long-term value than traditional mansions ever could. Traditional mansions often rely on imitation materials, synthetic moldings, decorative veneers, and artificial finishes. Modern luxury architecture prioritizes material honesty. Natural stone, solid wood, concrete, glass, and metal are used in their authentic form, allowing textures and imperfections to become part of the design language. These materials age gracefully, gaining character over time rather than looking outdated. Architects carefully curate palettes to create warmth, depth, and timelessness. This approach creates a sensory richness that traditional mansions often lack, proving that true luxury lies in authenticity rather than decorative excess. instead of mass-produced ornamentation. Modern luxury homes celebrate bespoke craftsmanship. Custom staircases, handcrafted cabinetry, tailored lighting fixtures, and made-to-measure furniture replace generic decorative elements. Each home becomes a unique architectural expression, rather than a copy of historical styles. This level of customization reflects the homeowner's identity and lifestyle. Architects work closely with artisans to achieve precision and originality. The result is a home that feels deeply personal and irreplaceable, unlike traditional mansions that often follow repetitive classical formulas with little individuality. Classical facades with columns, arches, and pediments are being replaced by sculptural, contemporary forms. Modern luxury houses use bold geometries, cantilevers, and asymmetrical compositions to create visual impact. These forms are not decorative. They emerge from structure, function, and site context. Architects treat the building as a three-dimensional sculpture, carefully shaping volumes to control light, views, and movement. This approach creates iconic architecture that feels forward-looking rather than nostalgic. Unlike traditional mansions that reference the past, modern luxury homes express confidence in the present and optimism for the future. Traditional mansions often rely on distance, walls, and gates for privacy. Modern luxury homes achieve privacy through intelligent architectural planning. Courtyards, layered spaces, strategic openings, and landscape buffers allow openness without exposure. Bedrooms and private areas are carefully oriented away from public views, while social spaces remain visually connected to nature. This creates a sense of sanctuary without the fortress-like feeling of traditional mansions. Privacy becomes subtle and refined, enhancing comfort rather than creating separation. This architectural intelligence reflects a more nuanced understanding of luxury living. Modern luxury homes place wellness at the center of design. Natural light, fresh air, acoustic comfort, and ergonomic layouts are carefully considered. Features like home spas, meditation rooms, indoor gardens, and fitness studios are seamlessly integrated. Materials are selected for their tactile and emotional qualities, not just appearance. Architects design spaces that reduce stress and promote balance. This focus on well-being contrasts sharply with traditional mansions, which often prioritize grandeur over comfort. Today's luxury homeowner wants a home that supports physical and mental health, not just social status. Rigid room functions in traditional mansions no longer suit modern life. Modern luxury homes are designed with adaptability in mind. Spaces can easily transform from work areas to entertainment zones, from guest rooms to studios. Sliding partitions, modular furniture, and flexible layouts allow the home to evolve over time. This adaptability adds long-term value and relevance. Architects anticipate future needs, including remote work, multi-generational living, and aging in place. A modern luxury house is not frozen in time. It grows with its occupants, something traditional mansions struggle to accommodate. In modern luxury design, landscape is no longer an afterthought. Gardens, water features, and outdoor structures are designed as integral architectural components. Landscape architects collaborate closely with architects to create cohesive environments. Trees frame views, water cools microclimates, and pathways guide movement. This holistic approach creates immersive living experiences. Traditional mansions often treat landscaping as decoration, while modern luxury homes use it as a functional and emotional extension of architecture. The result is a deeper connection between people, space, and nature.